Hey guys, it's Aaron with AGS. We just got a brand new chronograph in that we're going to be using for videos to just add another level to the information that we can give to you guys. So if you have any suggestions on what we should do with it, go ahead and leave a comment below and we'll see what we can do. Right now I'm going to go through the different Glock models in 9mm, so the 17, 19, and the 26, to show you the differences in velocity in standard ball ammo and as well as a hollow point. Okay, so that was the first time using the chronograph. We'll continue to use it in future videos. Like I said, give us any suggestions if you want to see something specific. We may compare velocities out of AR barrel lengths here in the future, so stay tuned for that. We took all the information we gathered from the chronograph and put it on this table. It was pretty evident that there was a 40 feet per second drop on average between each model, so 17 to 19, 19 to 26. Regardless of the ammunition, it was fairly consistent.